Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about Telegram's People Nearby feature, which is used to let you message people close to you. But if you have noticed it's not working anymore, there's a reason for that. The simple answer is Telegram has officially removed this feature. It was taken down due to the concerns about bots and scammers misusing it to promote illicit activities. Now it's been replaced by the Business Nearby feature. If you search online, you will see that Telegram CEO Pavel Durov announced the removal on X. It's Twitter. So it's no longer available, and unfortunately, there's nothing we can do to bring it back. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates like this. I'll see you in the next one.